Hello guys, so today I'm going to show you how to solve this question which comes from the Year 6 SATs arithmetic paper and involves adding two numbers which have different amounts of decimal places. This question is a very simple addition question. Where there are lots of errors made are when we don't line the digits up correctly. So how I like to do problems like this is I like to write the largest number on top. If it's addition, you can change the order. Obviously, if it's subtraction, you cannot change the order. But I would write the biggest number on top. It's not, however, necessary. It's just my preference. And you just need to make sure that you separate each digit. Now, the decimal point, you might want to put it in its own square or you might want to put it in the corner. Just make sure you are consistent. I'm going to put this in the corner here. You do also need to make sure that when you write your decimals that they don't look like commas. That does actually get penalised sometimes in the SATs. Now it's a bit harder for me to write the decimal point using a sort of computer pen, but I'll give that a go. So 13.493 add 7. Now don't accidentally put your 7 here. This is what we see happen. Okay, that would be incorrect. We need to make sure that they are lined up in the correct places. So my 7 is 7 ones. That's going to go under the 3 from 13. 3 ones, 7 ones. My decimal point is going to go in exactly the same spot. And then my 6 tenths, my 8 hundredths. Now what I like to also do when I have two numbers where they have different decimal places is I just fill in any gaps with zeros. So that does not alter the number. 7.680 is not different than 7.68. It's just unnecessary to write it. So we write it as 7.68. But I always put that there. It just helps when you're adding to avoid making errors, especially when you are subtracting. So I'm just going to write my answer in a different colour. Now you just start adding. 3 plus 0 is 3. 9 plus 8 is 17. We're going to carry our 1. 4 and 6 is 10. Plus the 1 is 11. We're going to carry our 1. You need to make sure you put your decimal point in the same place that the other decimal points are. 3 plus 7 is 10. Plus 1 is 11. Carry the 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. And there you have your final answer. The most important thing is to make sure that every digit is lined up in the correct place, either above or below another digit of the same value.